2 years ago, we decided to build an apartment for my mother-in-law. I used a program called Blender to make a 3D model of my plan. Some of the details have changed, such as the window locations. I added a garage door on the basement level to move bigger projects into my workshop. On the north side, there is a carport that will keep my sawmill out of the weather. I will also keep the truck underneath during the winter. Our house is directly across the driveway, which will make it easy to help my mother-in-law if she needs anything. You enter the apartment through the living room. The window locations have changed, but will have a $1 million view of the mountains. The kitchen has plenty of counter space, and also has windows that overlook fruit trees and mountains. It also has a coat closet and a food pantry. The bedroom is very spacious with a reading area in the corner. In the master bathroom there is a large walk-in shower. I made the hallway as short as possible to maximize space. This is a bonus room that could either be an office or bedroom. The laundry room has the washer and dryer raised up off the floor for easier access. You can access the garage through the side door in the living room. The stairway to the great room was made wide enough to add a lift, if it is needed in the future. The great room is going to be used for family get-togethers such as Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving and birthdays. There is a kitchen area to prepare food for the gatherings. We will have enough seating for at least 30 people. There is a walk-in closet for storing folding tables and chairs. This area will have couches and chairs for comfortable seating. We will have a guest bedroom for guests that are visiting from a distance. The garage will not only have space for the cars, but also bicycles, lawn mowers, and an all-terrain vehicle. The stairway to the basement ends in the lobby for the movie theater. The movie theater is soundproof, and can also be used as a recording studio. This room is vented to the outside. It is the home to my laser engraver, kiln, and burnout oven. My workshop is going to have tools to do a wide variety of projects such as woodworking, machining, welding, jewelry and pottery. The utility room has pumps for the radiant heat, shut-off valves for water, hot water tank, furnace and breaker box for the electrical. This is a true maker space, and I hope that it will get a lot of use from friends and family. I have designed this building to be as energy efficient as possible. I'm using insulated concrete forms for the foundation and insulating under the concrete slab. All of the exterior walls are staggered double wall construction to prevent thermal bridging. The windows are all triple pane glass that will keep the heat in during the winter and the cool in during the summer. The walls will be filled with blown-in cellulose insulation, and outside will be wrapped with rock wool insulation. There is also a rain screen that will provide an airspace behind the exterior siding, which allows the framing to stay dry. The house has radiant heat. The heat is provided by evacuated solar tubes on the roof, and is stored in a thermal battery that is in the basement. There are also photovoltaic solar panels on the roof. I will be posting videos showing details of my building process as they happen. Subscribe to my channel to get notified when each new video is uploaded.